Hi guys, I got a new unboxing for you today. This is the Tello drone from Ryze and DJI. It also have Intel inside technology. This comes with an extra battery and a controller. You can also fly it without the controller, but I wanted to have the controller also. So, I'm gonna open the boxes. Start with this one, with the drone. And at the back we have this one, silicone to prevent moist. We have a quick start guide here, and we have the battery and spare propellers and a tool to change the propellers. And on the other side of the box have the drone. It's nice in here. Here we are with propeller guards and brushed motors. It has the camera in front of here, and it has a camera there and sensors to know where it is in the air, so it does see down on the ground and stays when you stop. So there is no GPS in this one. Spare battery. I'm not gonna open that one now. We're gonna see inside here. The controller looks like this. Looks like a gamepad, and you have the mount here for the phone. My phone here. Mount it like this. Then you can see what the drone sees in the air, and you can do functions. So I'm not sure how this controller works, that's what I'm gonna look at later. Yes, that was the unboxing of this one. I also have my Spark here, DJI Spark. Now compare these two in sizes. So you can see the Tello drone weighs 80 grams, a lot smaller than the Spark. Yes, next thing will be to set this up and try to fly it. Oh yes, the battery. And the battery goes in here. This one shall go down in there, and it pops in like this. You have to use a charging cable in here to charge the batteries inside the drone. Okay guys, that was the unboxing of the drone, so now I'm gonna try to fly this. Thanks for watching and bye bye.